Charlie Munger, a name whispered in reverence on Wall Street. He is Warren Buffett's right-hand man. Together, they built an empire on smart investing. Their secret? Long-term thinking. Munger is famous for his wisdom. He doesn't follow the crowd. He thinks differently. He sees value where others don't. His approach is simple: find great companies and hold them. This isn't about getting rich quick. Munger teaches us to build wealth slowly and steadily. It's about patience. It's about discipline. It's about understanding the businesses you own. We've all been there. At some point, every investor has faced the emotional roller coaster that comes with the ups and downs of the stock market. The market dips and panic sets in. Our hearts race, and we feel the urge to act quickly to avoid further losses. We sell our stocks, afraid of losing everything. The fear of watching our hard-earned money disappear can be overwhelming. Or the market soars and greed takes over. We see the potential for quick gains and get swept up in the excitement. We buy high, hoping to get rich overnight. This is emotional investing. It's our worst enemy. Munger warns against it. He emphasizes the importance of keeping emotions in check. He knows emotions cloud our judgment. When we let fear and greed dictate our actions, we make irrational decisions. Fear makes us sell low. We act out of desperation, often at the worst possible time. Greed makes us buy high. We chase after the next big thing, hoping to strike it rich without considering the risks. Munger urges us to be rational. He advises us to take a step back, analyze the situation, and make decisions based on logic, not emotion. The big money is not in the buying and selling, he says, but in the waiting. He's right. Patience and discipline are key to successful investing. Long-term investors ride out the storms. They stay calm. They understand that market fluctuations are normal and part of the journey. They stick to their plan. By focusing on their long-term goals and not getting swayed by short-term market movements, they build wealth over time. Emotional investing can be perilous, but with the right mindset, we can navigate the market's ups and downs successfully. The allure of quick profits is strong. The stock market can be a tempting place, filled with the promise of fast money and instant success. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement. We see a hot stock tip and jump in. The thrill of potentially doubling our money overnight is irresistible. We think we've found the golden ticket. We chase the latest trend, hoping to make a fast buck. The buzz around the office, the chatter among friends, it all points to one thing. This is the next big thing. But this is a fool's game. The market is unpredictable, and what goes up can come crashing down just as quickly. The disappointment is palpable. Short-term thinking leads to losses. Munger knows this. He preaches patience. He understands that true wealth is built over time, not overnight. He tells us to ignore the noise. Don't chase fads. Don't time the market. The constant barrage of information can be overwhelming, but it's crucial to stay focused. Instead, focus on the long game. Building wealth takes time. It requires discipline. It's about making informed decisions and sticking to them. It means ignoring the daily ups and downs. The market will have its highs and lows, but a steady hand will prevail. Focus on finding great businesses. Then, let them grow. Invest in companies with strong fundamentals and a clear vision for the future. Let compounding work its magic. Over time, your investments will grow, and the rewards will be worth the wait. Patience and perseverance are the keys to success in the stock market. Section 4. Munger's Pillars of Wealth Business Quality. Not all businesses are created equal. Munger looks for the best. He wants companies with strong foundations. He calls these moats. Moats protect businesses from competition. Think of a castle. A moat makes it strong. It keeps enemies out. Businesses need moats too. These can be strong brands, loyal customers, or unique technology. Munger's advice: invest in a business any fool can run, because someday a fool will. Find businesses that can thrive even with mediocre leadership. Look for quality, look for strength. Section 5. Munger's Pillars of Wealth, Circle of Competence and Compounding. Munger is a firm believer in knowing your limits. He emphasizes the importance of understanding your own strengths and weaknesses. He calls this the circle of competence. Stay within your circle. This means focusing on areas where you have the most knowledge and experience. Invest in what you understand. This principle helps you make informed decisions and reduces the risk of costly mistakes. Don't be afraid to say, "I don't know." Admitting your limitations is a strength, not a weakness. If you don't understand a business, don't invest in it. This simple rule can save you from potential financial pitfalls. Focus on your areas of expertise. By concentrating on what you know best, you can identify opportunities that others might miss. That's where you'll find the best opportunities. These are the areas where you can leverage your knowledge to make sound investments. Once you find great businesses, hold them. Patience is key in investing. Let time work its magic. The longer you hold on to quality investments, the more they can grow. This is the power of compounding. Compounding allows your investments to grow exponentially over time. It's like a snowball rolling downhill. As it rolls, it picks up more snow, growing larger and larger. It gathers momentum over time. The longer it rolls, the bigger it gets, symbolizing how your investments can grow significantly with time and patience. Section 6. Conclusion. Embracing the long game. Charlie Munger offers timeless wisdom. He teaches us to think differently. He shows us the power of patience and discipline. He reminds us that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Ignore the noise. Tune out the hype. Focus on what matters, finding great businesses and holding them for the long haul. That's the Munger way. It's the path to lasting wealth. So, what will you do? Will you chase quick profits, or will you embrace the long game? The choice is yours. Choose wisely.